Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Tech Trick. In this video, I will show you how to enable the night light feature in Windows 11. This handy tool reduces blue light from your screen, making it easier on your eyes. So let's get started. Go to search bar, type settings. Click on settings option. Now go to system, as you can see on the top here in the list. Click on system. Then move to display, as you can see on the top here. Click on display. Now click on this night light. Now for turning it on, click on turn on now. As you can see here, the display changes.